This is the Miami International Airport Hotel. So what that means is that the international airport has a hotel in the airport. That's good to know, especially when American Airlines books you a flight that is a connecting flight, but the connecting flight leaves 15 minutes after, 15 to 30 minutes after. Anyway, it's not about that, at least not right now. This is about the hotel. Let's check out the hotel. So, I didn't do my bed. It's not my bed. It was the hotel's bed, and they do the bed. That's my CPAP machine. Got breathing problems, you know, we all got our own problems. And here's a seat. And then they also come with a hidden little ironing board. This is the TV. The channels suck. I'll tell you that right now. The channel's below. I'll show you. Let's see. Ain't no HBO or Showtime. You ain't even really got basic cable either. You're missing some channels. Look at this.
She isn't stopping you from doing your job.
Look at that quality.
Yes, she is. Everything on night shift.
Let's see what's on channel 3. Nothing. It's on channel 4. Commercial. Damn, now turn on black. What the fuck? Number 5. Okay, but you see all those lines? Like back in the day, I don't know if you're a 90s kid like me. It gives you back memories, you know what I mean? Anyway, so let's show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom right here. It's got this toilet. What I don't like is it's got the like public restroom vibe going, you know what I mean? And then like if I'm gonna use my foot, anyway, and hey, by the way, they give toothbrushes out, but you gotta ask for it. You gotta ask for it. And they use these nectar. It smells really good. Sweet orange blossom, delish. And then that's the soap. That's the head they use right there. That's the head. They give you towel, nice towel, a little bath. You can take a bath if you wanted that. Most of you would actually have no idea. I don't even shower. No. Yeah, I don't. So here's this little closet there, and that's basically it. There's a little air conditioning. It's on. No wonder I was cold. It's all the way on super cool. Shoot. Anyway, the blanket helped. So, and that's it. That's the spot. That's what's happening here. So yeah, that's the American Airlines. This is the King Suite. Oh, they offer veterans discount if you're a veteran. So you got that, and I'll show you more later. Peace. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the view from the hotel. So this whole curtain thing here is blocking what you would think is a big, massive window. And normally, typically, when you're in a hotel, you think of like the beach, you know, or the pool view, you know. But hey, actually, but it's an airport, so you think airplanes, and you're right. But look how small this window is, and it's like double sealed. It's not bulletproof, but it's double sealed. And you can see the planes. But then this view just isn't, excuse me, I burped. Isn't the best, but it isn't the worst, I guess, you know. But I just thought I'd share. Just a little window. If you try to escape, you can't. It's locked. Gotta pay my bill. I guess I gotta pay my bill. Anyway, that's the hotel.